Is your TikTok shop tab playing hide and seek and winning? Let's get it back fast. First, the most common fix is often overlooked. Head to your device's app store, search for TikTok, and if you see an update button, tap it immediately. An outdated app is the #1 reason the shop disappears. Next, you need to check your region. The TikTok shop is only available in select countries. If you've recently traveled or use a VPN, your location might not be supported. Ensure your app's region settings match a supported country. Now confirm your age. In the app, TikTok shop requires you to be at least 18 years old. Go to your profile. Tap the menu, select settings and privacy. Then look for the report a problem section where you can sometimes find an option to update your birth date. If the shop is still a no-show, try clearing your cache in your TikTok settings. Go to the cache and cellular data section and tap free up space. This clears out temporary glitches without deleting your account. And never underestimate the power of a simple restart. Completely shut down your phone, wait a minute, and turn it back on. This refreshes your device's connection and can solve a multitude of app issues. If you've tried all these steps and the shop is still missing, the issue might be on TikTok's end, so check their official announcements now. Go enjoy your shopping.